Ready to supercharge your React website with effortless and secure Apple Pay payments. First, make sure you have a React project set up. If you don't, create one using Create a Recap now. Let's dive into the code. Install the necessary Apple Pay JavaScript SDK with npm install or yarn add. Next, import the ApplePaySession module into your React component. This is the core of our Apple Pay integration. Now, within your component, check if Apple Pay is available on the user's device using ApplePaySession Tansen. If it is, you can render the Apple Pay button. Implement the Apple Pay button. You'll need to handle the onClick event to start an Apple Pay session. This session requires configuration details like your merchant identifier, country code, and supported card networks. Within the Apple Pay session, you'll need to implement event listeners for on-validated merchant, on-payment authorized, and on-payment method. These listeners handle crucial steps like merchant validation, payment authorization, and payment method selection. Finally, after a successful payment, communicate with your backend to process the transaction using the payment token received from Apple Pay, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Apple Pay into your React website.